Hi, I'm making. Thank you very much for watching my first video. It means a lot that you're here. But anyways, you're probably wondering why I'm here. 3D printing. I like to make things. I'm an engineering student with a FlashForge Creator Pro dual extrusion 3D printer. That's a long name. But if you like making things, 3D printing, or 3D printing things, check me out. I'll be here 3D printing. See you later. What? Commercial? What are you doing here? Yes, there is more. I'm not letting you get off the hook or skip this video. Maybe you didn't even get this far. Oh well, low engagement. Who cares? We're 3D printing. But other than 3D printing, I want to do a bunch of other stuff with this channel. So we'll be trying out some gaming, other stuff. We can do some cosplay items, whatever we could print, we can do. Just give me ideas, please, because this is all about you guys. Anyway, I'll see you later. Peace.